Okay, I think we're ready to get this one started. Drivers behind the line, and 3, 2, 1, go.
We are underway. Playoff match number 1 here at Kettering, day number 2. We got quick scoring on both sides of the field. Oxford Robocats putting that cube up top. Their partners, the Biting Bulldogs, bringing their second game piece back. Over on the red side of the field, we got 8426 Automated Amphibians matching Robocats, balancing up on that charge station. At the end of Autumn, it's 54-33 in favor of the Red Alliance. Wings of Fire coming over, getting loaded up, trying to grab a cone there from their human player station. They're going to spin back across the field. Little contact there with 41-30 Blue Devils as they're on their way to score. Blue Devils are going over to their player station. Looks like they're going to try to grab a cone and bring that back to the blue side of the field. We've got the hot team entering with a cone of their own. They're going to go drop that up top and complete a link over on the red side of the field. 35-39 Biting Bulldogs. Little friendly fire there from 21-37. Looks like they're going to play some defense against Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire has a cone in their possession. They're going to take that back and complete another link over on the red side of the field. Looks like Oxford Robocats might be having a little trouble in the center of the field. Biting Bulldogs doing the very best they can to play defense against not only Wings of Fire, but also the hot team. We got Blue Devils over here on the blue side of the field, dropping those cubes one after another on the lower level for the blue side. Now we got both blue robots looking to play a little defense here. Biting Bulldogs guarding the center of the field. Here comes hot team. Let's see if they can slow them down on their way to their human player station. Blue Devils coming in. They've got another cube. Looks like they're going to drop that low for the blue side. We got 8426 Automated Amphibians. They're going to come grab a cone from their human player for the Red Alliance. Wings of Fire and Hot Team are both scoring machines over there. Biting Bulldogs looking to slow them down. Playing some good defense there against Automated Amphibians. They're spin around them. Wings of Fire nearly misses them too on their way. They're going to grab a cube from the floor. Little contact there. With 30 seconds left, Wings of Fire scoots around Oxford Robocats. Going to drop that cube into the center row for the red side of the field. Their partners, Automated Amphibians, trying to get up on that charge station. We got Blue Devils working hard over here, dropping another cube down low. Hot Team's going to try to grab one more game piece, make a last-minute score. We got Biting Bulldogs and Blue Devils trying to get up on that charge station. All 3 red robots working to get up. With 4 seconds left, we got 3 red robots up. Bulldogs make it back into the blue community. Let's see the scores for our first playoff match. The Red Alliance is going to take that match with a score of 181-94. So Alliance number 1 is going to stay in that upper bracket. Alliance number 8 is going to slide on down to our lower bracket. Take it away, Fun.
Well, match number 1, round number 1 is in the books, Jim. Red Alliance looked really solid this one. Unfortunate for Robocats. It looked like they got knocked out about halfway through the match on this one. Tough matchup for them. They were looking pretty good. Let's head into the replay and help me break down some of this match.
Yeah, again, double Hall of Fame Alliance on the number 1, just killing it here. So watch this autonomous mode from the Red Alliance. Double piece coming from Team Hot. They missed the pickup on the third one. And 51 with a 2-piece. So 54 points for autonomous for the Red Alliance. Great job.
Yeah, getting those 7 pieces in auto, really critical. Yesterday we saw 7 up to the finals where 8 started happening there. So 7, what a great start for round number 1. Blue Alliance looked like they were holding their own pretty well in the beginning.
They were doing pretty good at the beginning. 41-30 running fast pieces, running fast cubes back repeatedly here, doing the base level, the level 1. Here they come with another drop. If you watch that fast little robot, 41-30, but, about halfway through this match, 10, 15 seconds from now, we'll watch as 21-37 goes inactive near the center of the field right here after this hit.
Yeah, let's talk about strategy a little bit. Blue Alliance decided to put 35-39 Fighting Bulldogs on defense the whole time. And I thought they did a pretty good job. You seen them kind of bumping around in the center of the field. But I have to admit, I was a little surprised to see that when RoboCats went out, that Fighting Bulldogs kept playing defense. Would you have switched them to offense?
I would have switched them to offense, like right here. You're down by about 20 points, but you're never going to close the gap if you've only got one offender still scoring on the bottom row. You got to put some cones up high, or you can't possibly close the scoring gap.
Yeah, and look at, in regards to, like, for next match as well, you got to assume all robots are running right. I thought Fighting Bulldogs did a good job on defense as well. And I really got to give props to 41-30. Look how they keep going along the field, back and forth. They're able to go quite well, I thought, from a cycle time. Over on Red Alliance, by the way, I want to mention 51-67 really looked like they were in sync the whole time. How did you feel about the overall performance of Red?
Overall performance is great. If you watch the choreography here, they're choosing their lanes well. Going over the ramp when they need to go over the charge station, just keeping the lanes clear. Coming in here for another score on the bottom level. They got all of the components scored on both of the upper levels.
The only one thing I think I want to point out from an improvement, go back to about 110 here. The 84-26, a little slow to get some of the scoring. Looks like they got jammed up a little bit. So if you're looking later on the bracket, definitely a little improvement. But Red Alliance advancing through the upper bracket. Blue Alliance is going to fall down to the lower bracket, but still alive through this. We're going to send it back down the field for match number 2 coming up in just a couple minutes to meet our teams.